Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your Apple account cannot be created. You are facing this problem, so how you can solve it or how you can create your account. Now first of all, you must be trying from the settings to change or let's say create a new account and you are unable to do it. So just ignore to go into the settings and just go into the App Store. And once you go into the App Store, so on the right side, as you can see on the bottom upper right corner, I'm able to see my Apple account, but you won't be signed in because if you don't have an account, so you will see an option to sign in or create an account. So you can just create an account from this option and try it to create it if you are able to do it. But the main reason that is happening on your mobile phone is because you might be using an older iPhone like iPhone 7, 8, like iPhone X, or sometimes iPhone 11 as well, but mostly this problem happens below the iPhone XS or XS Max series. So you might be using that phone and that's why you are facing the problem. So you can first of all try from the App Store. The second thing that you need to do is just go into your browser and go into the iCloud. Just search it iCloud, or you can search the Apple as well, basically this website, and just click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, so you will also see an option to create a new account. So once you can also try to create your account from this option. So that is what you can do to create your new account. But as you can see, create your Apple account, you can choose from this option as well. But you are still unable to do it. The third thing that you can try is choose from the laptop or PC and make sure to create from that and try it if it still works for you. But still not, then the next thing that you can do is just wait few months on your older iPhone. And once you wait few months, after that the Apple basically resets the limit of the Apple accounts being created on the iPhone. So it will basically reset, and after that you will be able to create your new account. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it.